It's tomorrow. We're going to Reno, so I'm leaving now. Hopefully I make it. The pass might be closing. It's storming. It's gonna be storming. So I got chains. We'll see what happens. Hopefully that's not foreshadowing. Really?
There's so much road construction.
Well, we're just sitting here now. It's been,
And my little windshield wipers can't keep up. It's way rainier than it looks.
So we made it to Galt. It's pretty exciting. There's all these advisory signs like caution from Friday till Monday. And it's Friday, so yeah. And then we're going up the mountain. Hopefully, we'll see. I don't know. I got chains with 2-wheel drive. I'm gonna put Rain-X on the window too, because Rain-X send me free stuff. Check it out, it's Mr. Pickles. You guys ever seen that cartoon? Alright, well, we're all Rain-X'd up. Water just fly off. Awesome. Take it to 80.
Just look at the rain flying off. Look at it, it's so cool again.
There's a lot of stuff on the side of the road that's flooded in and out. Of course, I asked for the FPV discount, and they don't know what FPV is. We're in Grass Valley, pretty cool. Hopefully the pass is open. Stuff's flooded, there's a lot of flooding. Oh man, it's crazy when you're driving and then on the other side of the road, like the overpass wall, the water just comes over it. It's crazy. It's like, you gotta get the large chocolate shake and a 3x3. Jeff always gets a 4x4, he says. He asked you because it's on his truck. So we just passed the chain check guy. I passed the chain check. He asked if it was 4-wheel drive. It's not, but it looks like it. It's a pre-runner, which is in that wood. Okay, I guess we gotta put chains on now. But okay, we got the chains mostly on. I think I don't want to fit though.
Sounds like a lot harder than it needs to be. On the other side.
Bucket's soaked. Everyone's stuck with the chains. Real 2-wheel drive. I got them on there. Snow tires. I think it would be fine. They barely fit. It drives so slow, and it's like.
And we're going fucking so slow.
I don't know if you can see any of that. So slow.
Stopping.
It keeps saying 2 hours on my ETA, so apparently it was still 2 hours away. Pretty neat. Oh shit. This chain's falling off his truck. See it? I've been driving forever and now I gotta take the chains off. I wanna just cut them off. They barely went off. Taking the shit on the side of the road. It's pretty easy. Way easier to take them off. Alright, the chains are off, so now we can go as fast as we want. Yeah, so we're getting pretty close. At this point, the video kind of falls apart, and I have to start using voiceover to explain what's happening. I guess we're going to go stay downtown, because it's cheaper. It's probably going to suck, but what am I doing here? Hey. We did it! Alright, yeah, we made it. Pretty exciting. I mean, it's not that exciting. So I was gonna fly drones around, but it was kind of raining and it was late, and I had to go to work tomorrow, so I just had a beer and went to sleep.
Yeah. You need to get to work. Goddamn, what a bummer.
Dude, I'm recording you. Woo! Burning right in the fucking fridge. So we finished putting in that drain pan and some piping, and then we're going to go snowboarding the next day. So I drove to Tahoe. This is Tahoe. Then my buddy Phil took me to his job. We went up the mountain in a snowstorm and turned on all the ski lifts and shredded all day. It was actually really awesome, and thanks again for letting me crash on your couch. And then the next day, we played with RC stuff. And after this, that's pretty much it. That's the end of part two. No, part three. Part two was the skating, I guess. There's a lot of random, just a lot of stuff. If you watch the whole thing, I'm surprised, and thanks.